What's up, guys? Clay at Mallard Motors here. Got a new cash truck on the lot. I'm going to show y'all some details on. Don't forget, we do have a referral program. That's where you can earn yourself $200 in cash for sending us a customer. So keep that in mind, and let's look at this 2006 model Chevy Silverado. It's a nice dark gray color, extended cab. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 in it, two-wheel drive. Headlights are still clear on it. Got fog lights on the front and tow hooks on the front. You've actually got newer body style Chevrolet rims on there. Those are 20 inches and they're brand new. You've also got a brand new coat of bed liner in the back, spray in. Brand new tail lights on the back. Already got your towing package set up going on back there. It's extended cab, so you gotta open the back door from the inside. Cloth interior. Chevy don't make the cloth like this anymore. It was plushy and soft. Power driver seat. Power locks, power windows, and power adjustable side mirrors. Let's see. We got 301,000 miles on the dash. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Just your basic stereo setup with a CD player, but you do have dual climate control. I was told that this check engine light is from an O2 sensor, in case y'all were wondering. If y'all are interested in this truck and got any more questions, give me a phone call. I'd be happy to get you more information about it. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.